When given the choice to write about any planet in the solar system, I gave each a lot of thought, and ultimately I chose to write about the planet Saturn. I felt this planet had a lot of features that were very fascinating, and with its color and other physical features from the outside, it seems to be one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system. In my paper, I hope to give a brief introduction to the planet Saturn itself, some of its physical features, and then discuss and showcase 5 of Saturn's moons and their features, and hopefully show how each make this planet so interesting. Over 4 billion years ago, Saturn became the 6th planet from the Sun. This planet has been noticed since prehistoric time, mainly because it is visible with the naked eye. When Galileo viewed it with a telescope in 1610, it was then actually viewed in more depth. Galileo was able to see Saturn's rings, which were at first thought to be moons as well. There are 82 moons on Saturn. Only 53 of those moons have been discovered and have a name. The remaining are still to be confirmed and named. The biggest moon on Saturn is the Titan, also known as the giant moon. To put its size in perspective, it is larger than the planet Mercury. The smallest moon on Saturn is the Enceladus, and it is still as large as a sports arena. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. Also, Saturn has a radius that is about 9 times that of planet Earth, and is thought to be a flattened ball. It is a gas giant, and to put its size in perspective, it is 95 times more massive than planet Earth. A day on Saturn only lasts 19 hours and 42 minutes. It takes 29 years for Saturn to make one orbital trip. The color of Saturn is a yellowish-brown because of the gases that make its atmosphere, such as hydrogen, helium, neonia, phosphine, water vapor, and hydrocarbons. In addition to many moons, Saturn has the most extensive and beautiful ring in the solar system. Its rings are made mostly of ice, rocky material, and water. The first moon in Saturn I want to give information on is the Titan moon. The Titan moon was first discovered by a Dutch astronomer by the name of Christian Huygens on March 25, 1665. The 4 moons I plan to discuss are Tethys, Enceladus, Dione, and the Mimas. In conclusion, I feel it has been very fun and interesting learning about Saturn, its rings, the many moons it holds, and their features. It is very different from planet Earth in many ways, but in no ways does that make it any less interesting than our home planet.